How to print the current time in Python. First, we will import the datetime class from the datetime module. So, from datetime import datetime. Next, for aesthetic purposes, we want to store a now in a variable. Now will just be an object holding all the data about the current time. So, now equals datetime.now. Finally, we can print out the current time. Print fstring curly braces now colon %h colon %m colon %s curly brace. What this does is print the current hour, minute, and second in a formatted way. If we run this code, you'll see the current time from when I'm recording the video printed out. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.